One sunny day, Tim and his dog, Max, went to the park. Max, a fluffy puppy, loved chasing squirrels. Tim brought a bright red ball to play fetch. He threw it, but Max ignored it and zoomed after a butterfly instead. Tim laughed as Max leaped, missed, and tumbled into a pile of leaves. Nearby, a picnic was happening. Max sniffed a sandwich on a blanket and grabbed it. The kids at the picnic squealed, chasing Max in circles. Tim ran after them, shouting, "Max, drop it!" Max finally dropped the sandwich, but it landed in a muddy puddle. Everyone burst out laughing, even the picnic family. Later, Tim tried teaching Max to catch the ball. Instead, Max tripped over it and rolled down a small hill, barking happily. Tim couldn't stop giggling as Max wagged his tail, covered in grass. The other kids joined in, rolling down the hill to turning it into a silly game. By the end, Tim and Max were tired but happy. The park was full of laughter, and Max's goofy antics made it a day to remember.